1928 was the first full year of Model A production, and things got off to a slow start, at least by Ford standards. At the start of the year, only the Rouge factory in Dearborn and the Kearney, New Jersey plant were producing vehicles. Most all other assembly plants were operational by the summer. By the time the year ended, Ford had assembled 676,954 passenger cars worldwide, well below Fomoco's capabilities. Here is the breakdown for cars built in 1928. Ford's endeavor at getting a piece of the upscale market started in December of 1928 with the town car. Ford records show that 89 examples of the chauffeur-intended high-class vehicle were built in 1928. Another car introduced in December of 28 was the taxi cab. This unique body was Ford's attempt at getting a piece of the taxi industry. 264 of these cabs were assembled that year. The first new body style offered in 1928 beyond the initial 5 offerings was the business coupe. Announced in May, this car was similar to the sport coupe but lacked some of the luxury items, such as the Landau irons, and it came standard with a trunk instead of a rumble seat. 37,601 of the salesman or doctor-intended car rolled off Ford assembly lines in its first year of production. The Phaeton was the closest holdover body style to the legendary Model T, and these open cars were in the middle of the pack for Model A production in 1928. 68,176 of the low-frills convertible were built that year. With 73,595 examples produced in 1928, the coupe was a strong seller during the first year of production. Yes, we know that in the middle of 1928, Ford introduced the special coupe, which featured top material that went all the way down to the belt line. Ford did not separate production numbers for the standard coupe and the special coupe. They're all together. The Sport Coupe was next in terms of production, as it was Ford's most refined offering for most of 1928. It was also the only Model A in 1928 that came standard with a rumble seat. 82,125 of these smart-looking cars were produced. The lowest-priced Model A was the third best-selling Model A the first year, with 87,589 of the windowless two-seater roadster being sold. The four-door has a weird history, as it was announced at the premiere of the Model A as an available body style, but it wasn't until May of 1928 that production actually started. Still, 88,528 of the leather-backed four-door sedans were produced before the year came to an end. As always, the two-door sedan was the top-selling Model A body style for 1928. It was the only type of Model A that exceeded 100,000 built in 1928, and by December 31st, a whopping 239,340 two-doors found their way to the streets of the world. Restarting the machine that was Ford Motor Company manufacturing after laying dormant for nearly 6 months was a slow process that frustrated buyers, dealers, and Henry himself. But once production got back to normal, 1929 would turn out to be a high watermark year for Ford Motor Company and the Model A. As always, we hope you continue to enjoy a Model A.